Hello, peeps, you're here, and welcome back to another episode of South Park: The Fractured But Whole. So, of course, we have to go back to Cartman's house to do some mission that he wants us to do. Actually, let me look at my missions. Okay, yeah, they're my missions. So, go to Cartman's house. Do that.
No, girls allowed.
And we found out what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to go to
Here's
the police
Buttlord now.
station.
Great job, hero. Those freedom posers have no idea you f***ed them over.
So yeah.
All right, guys, listen up. Buttlord has discovered that the Freedom Pals are infiltrating the police station tonight. We have to get there before they do.
The police station? We can't take down the police, are you crazy? Yeah, just let the Freedom Pals go do it.
We can't do that, guys.
Why not?
Because at approximately 10:30 a.m. this morning, Classy was arrested by the police.
How do you know?
Yo, what the f? You can't wear a little said you protect my ass. They only give me one mother phone call, so y'all better come and get me the f out of here. Lame ass superhero wannabe motherfuckers.
We have to help her, fellas. We made a promise. If we let Freedom Pals go do this on their own, then we're the douchebag franchise they say we are.
But why would Freedom Pals work with us?
Don't forget the new kid is all buddy-buddy with Freedom Pals now. Buttlord can trick them into an assault on the lower level of the police station, and meanwhile we'll sneak in and bust Classy out.
We're probably gonna get the Freedom Pals killed.
And then whose superhero franchise would be number one?
We did make a promise to Classy.
Everyone get home and get to bed. We have a big job to do tonight. That'll be all, Buttlord. Go home and wait to hear from the Freedom Pals. What do you want now? What? Again with the puppy eyes. Are you f***ing kidding me right now? No, new kid, absolutely not. You cannot have another class.
Oh.
Look, I'm sorry about what happened to your mother. I know that you want closure, but... Oh. No, I guess I don't know how it feels. You're right. You're right. Maybe you should have just one more class.
Yeah, one more. Just one. Alright, so... Again, just following off the rules last time, Jacksepticeye did martial artist, I'm gonna do
Plantmancer. A Plantmancer, like Swamp Thing or Poison Ivy.
Alright. Yeah, let's do this.
You were laying in bed and you heard your mom screaming. You walked out into the hallway.
Same thing.
What do you think of this, space boy?
I'll get the aliens back.
As a Plantmancer hero, you harness the powers of nature to protect, but also to attack. You couldn't stand to watch that innocent alien get bullied. It was time to give those thugs a taste of their own medicine. You conjured a sweet-smelling scent to charm one of the intruders.
Wow, you smell like flowers. I'll do anything for you.
Completely enamored, the intruder was at the mercy of your will.
This guy bothering you?
Hey, what are you doing?
Take this!
God, Jesus!
How could you fight a child and an alien?
Snap out of it, man! Huh?
The blow from his comrade shook off your charm spell, but the confusion had bought the alien some time to recompose itself. It took out its space ray and opened fire on one of its attackers.
I can play as the alien now.
You and the alien shared a glance. You could tell it trusted you. It reached to the ground so as to use Mother Nature's power to defeat the alien's attackers. Roots sprung from the ground, dropping the alien bullies to the ground in a twisted wave of wood.
Yeah, that move's really good for, like, area damage and stuff.
Jesus, I'm out of here.
Yeah, fuck your plants, kid.
Your newfound alien friend breathes a sigh of relief.
Moo.
But then a third intruder entered the hallway.
Of course.
Moo.
And he also wanted to beat up the alien, so he did, with a vengeance.
Moo. Moo, moo, moo.
The alien couldn't take the beating sitting down, of course. It retaliated with another shot of its space ray. You could see the alien was fighting for dear life, so you summoned the gentler side of your plant powers to heal it.
Okay.
But it wasn't enough. The intruder mercilessly continued to pummel your new space friend until it was unconscious.
Moo, moo.
Watching the alien fall sprouted something inside of you. You summoned all of your Plantmancer power to revive your fallen friend. Mother Nature heard your call and bestowed her bountiful gifts upon you and the alien.
Moo, moo, moo.
As is the nature of a support class, the glory of the final blow rarely falls on your shoulders.
Moo, moo.
But you're always on the winning side. You ran to your parents' door, and before anything bad could happen, you ran inside to protect your mom. But you were too late. Your dad totally fucked her. Oh, it must be tearing you apart inside. How people can do that to other people, I'm so sorry. Anyway, we've got work to do tonight. I'll see you at the police station. There's nothing more to talk about. I'll be in touch tonight after your parents think you're sleeping.
Okay. Nice. Tune in for the night, go to your house. Something seems off about that.
You stupid fucking cow! Have another glass of Chardonnay, why don't you?
I have to drink to deal with you. That marijuana is changing you somehow.
At least marijuana is natural, not like grapes.
You're fucking high.
Maybe so, but I'm not telling everyone our child's secrets.
Go be paranoid some more in your room, Chris.
Have another drink, Kelly.
Go be paranoid some more in your room,
Have
Chris.
another drink, Kelly. Oh, hey, kiddo. Daddy's gonna go upstairs to his room.
Mommy's gonna go get a drink.
Back at it again. Go to your room and sleep. Guess we could go here. That's it.
Sweetie, you forgot to eat your dinner. Mommy put it down on the table. Come on, honey. Gotta eat your supper.
Did you put more of that stuff in our child's food?
Shut your fucking mouth!
How do we know that medicine doesn't have side effects, huh?
You know our child needs the medicine as much as I do!
Ah, you drunken whore!
Fucking pothead! How dare you make our child choose sides! You put the medicine in his food, too!
I'm not having anyone choose sides! Go on down and eat your supper, champ.
Yeah. He was forgetting something. Kind of makes me wish I had normal parents.
New kid, get dressed and meet me out front. Hurry, the night awaits. Cool room.
All right. It's time. Oh, by the way, I forgot to, so I have a new artifact slot, so I can put something there. Let's go ahead and change these if I need to. No, it's fine. Oh, no locks this time.
It's about time. You know how hard it is to look mysterious when you're just standing around in some kid's front yard? It's pretty fucking hard. I'm glad you're with us, new kid. It's been tough being the only one on the team with real superpowers. While all the other kids are playing and working on their franchise plans, I'm stuck defending the city against evil, with barely any time to work on my pitch for a Mysterion spin-off movie. Sometimes it feels like a curse having these powers. You know how it is, because you're like me. I'm sure the power of your ass weighs heavy on you.
My parents are over there.
Let's
Or
Don't like to
Jim's
talk about it,
house.
huh? That's okay, I understand. Let's just get to the police station and find the evidence we need.
No, ma'am. No, please don't. I'll be a good boy, I promise.
Yeah,
Wow,
let's
the
just
adults in this
ignore
town are
all
really
of
out of their
this.
fucking minds.
Okay. I guess that belongs to mosquito.
Jeez,
Hope you like eggs. Fucking A.
What a bunch of dicks.
Gotta get this stuff first. No.
I'm so drunk. I'm gonna like take off my top any minute.
It's worse than I thought, new kid.
Okay.
This is not
Stop
normal.
talking.
You're really mysterious, new kid. And coming from Mysterion, that's really high praise. Look,
Sounds high
there they are.
praise. Alright, guys.
All right, Freedom Pals, here's the plan. Once we get inside the police station, Toolshed and the new kid will set up a diversion, and then the... Wait a minute. What the fuck?
yeah, come on, guys. We've got to get inside the police station.
What are you assholes doing here?
We're here to investigate a hot lead regarding the South Park police.
Ah, that's what we're doing!
Oh, no. No, this is our superhero mission, Freedom Pals. Fuck you guys.
Get lost before there's a fight.
Fellas, have we all forgotten there's a little girl in trouble in there? Fast Pass is right. I suppose that just this once we should put our petty differences aside and work together. All right, Mysterion, what's the plan?
I think some of us should cause a diversion. Make the cops head towards it so the rest of us can sneak in without the cops noticing.
Good idea. Coon Friends will go up the fire escape and cause the diversion so Freedom Pals can sneak in the front. This is all pretty coincidental. Did you guys just steal our lead again? Innocent people are being arrested, Toolshed. That's all that matters to us. It should be all that matters to you. Okay, Coon Friends up the fire escape. Come on, guys.
Stand by. We gotta wait for the diversion. Come take a look at this.
Right.
Oh man, that's strong shit.
Yeah, does this coke seem a little off to you?
No, this is sweet. You guys want to call some hookers?
What the fuck was that?
Oh, even
Come
the
on, let's
police.
check it out. Bring the coke.
All right, come on, Buttlord. The coast is clear.
Alright, let's do this.
Oh shit, a criminal! And he's with an innocent child! Code red, assault on the precinct!
Oh,
Wow, I didn't see that coming.
huh. Weird.
Ah, shit. I guess we're dealing with these guys ourselves.
Yeah, this guy's at least, conscious.
No cell phone camera's gonna save you this time.
I should have changed my powers.
You have the
Forgot to
right
do
to
that.
get your ass kicked. Well, I am as useless as a roofied hooker right now.
Yeah.
On the ground.
Sorry about that. My dad came to help with something.
Those things are dangerous!
I got into law enforcement to party, not beat up kids, but here we are.
Here comes the shot! Ta-da! I need lightning happen. It's time. No mercy. Christ, I need a cup of coffee! Targeting systems online.
Right. Not much I can do right now.
Damn, you're good!
Let's see. Okay.
That's it, buddy.
Time to violate some civil rights. Don't move.
Ow! Oh, Jesus, oh, Jesus! Hey, I live! Another one down!
Hope I remember to charge my taser. Hands up!
Show no shit! We need backup!
Oh shit, there's a black kid here! Oh, damn!
Wow. Okay. Means we both need to heal. Who's low on health? This guy?
New kid is starting up a storm. Ah, a storm front is brewing.
So let's use just an antidote real quick.
Wonder tweet.
So I can not die.
This is my time. Here we go.
Enemy down. Tupperware, keeping it fresh.
I could do that, honestly. I think I'm fine.
Be careful.
Just gonna. What if we just huddle up here?
Use it well, butthole.
Time for some urban fucking renewal. You're under arrest, criminal.
This isn't fun anymore.
Oh, wow. Okay, maybe it wasn't the best thing.
Respect the badge! Well, shit, I could have taken a coke break.
Okay, you can heal at least.
Bringing the thunder.
Fuck, I'm zapped!
This might get ugly. You won't see me coming.
You have like the best combat protocols, dude.
Oh, I thought he was in the way.
Tupperware party.
Knock this guy back.
Tornado point. Tupper tornado complete.
Yeah, okay.
I'm just doing my job!
Doesn't look like it.
Must be exciting for you kids to see us law enforcement at work. Get down! Get down!
I'm freezing my schnitzel off! Bad buzz! Someone hold me. Hey, come on now! Brace
Oh.
yourself for justice, Doug.
Shit, we just lost a freedom pal.
Ah!
Make way for Mysterion.
This isn't looking too good.
Aggressor neutralized. Executing combat protocol.
Swap with him.
Get over here.
I need a
I don't know
protection.
about you, that works for me.
anyways. Oh, I can hurt him. Get these guys.
A logical, if unfortunate outcome for those who oppose freedom pals.
Let's finish him off.
Butthole sure has some finely cast.
Got another antidote back. Nice. Right. Did I go in here before?
Hey, buddy. Thanks, kid.
Some more of this. I guess we can go in here then. Okay, I don't know why I would need that, but okay. am I supposed to go? Oh.
That's enough. Just stand down,
my
kid.
question.
Look, I know why you're here. You're fed up. Because you think all cops do is harass black people.
Probably.
I know that to a young kid it can seem like cops are racist and bigoted, but you can't believe what the media tells you. Cops are just people, like you, your friends, your family. People who work hard to— Spook!
Oh! Tupperware!
Damn it, Levinsky, get your ass upstairs! Sir! And turn on the alarm!
That fucking asshole shot at me!
Get him! This isn't going to get any easier, but those cops need to pay.
Alright. No, I've been to all these rooms before.
That looks like an override switch. I don't know how to get past that turret, though.
I do.
Butthole beating people with his butthole again.
Seems
Jesus,
to be
there's
good
another
here.
one.
We need Butters. Wait, no, I don't want to go in there. Yeah, let me stand back. That's better.
Who summons chaos? Oh, hey there, new kid. There, minion. Chaos is its own reward.
All right.
Alright, back down.
I'm starting to think coming here was a bad idea.
Holding cells.
Hey, get us out of here! Token, thank God you're here, son.
Dad, what the fuck are you doing here?
This is a restricted area! Get down! Get down!
Alright, let me go ahead and change my, my abilities here. Yeah. I'll keep this.
I'm gonna beat you down and then lock you up, as is my
See how this
constitutional
goes.
right.
You shouldn't make the butthole angry.
Freeze, fuckface!
It is I, Wonder Tweak.
Should probably heal him. Right?
Summertime. I got you.
Yeah, let's bring him. No.
You protesters have the right to shut the fuck up!
Wow. I wasn't paying attention there.
You protesters seem to forget that freedom ain't free!
But he's getting knocked around.
Prepare to meet your end.
Damn, Mysterion, it's like you actually trained for this shit or something.
I want to do that, but I can't bring myself to do it, so I'll just swap with this guy.
Hot swap. Thank you for your cooperation.
Oh,
That can't be good for you.
yeah, it's not good. Actually, Kenny can't die, can he? Still gonna. What's up next? No, I'm still gonna hit you anyway. This guy has a lot of health.
New kid is flooding up a story. I'm up. I'm up. I got just the thing.
Ah.
All right.
We got us some old-fashioned civil unrest.
It's not good. I can only do this.
Where'd you learn that move, Mysterion? It's my turn to get fresh.
Yeah. Okay.
Upper tornado! I calculate our odds of survival at 90.6%.
Run for your storm shelters.
Can prevent this guy
I'll
from
put
using
you on
his
ice.
turn.
Just chill for a bit, okay? You're on fire, butthole.
Time for some riot control. Yeah, let's quell some dissent.
Today, you crossed paths with the wrong immortal fourth grader.
Freedom Pals will be victorious.
The weather's about to turn.
Thanks.
We haven't really hit this guy yet.
Yes, hasten their journey to the hereafter.
I'll beat that dissent out of you.
No.
Your farts are freaking me out, butthole. Don't hold back, Mysterion.
No chance of that.
If I swap, will it be enough to hit him?
Taking you out.
Don't think so. This is like 3. Yeah.
Too much pressure.
Finish him off.
Who wants a popsicle? That ought to slow you down.
Okay, I know this looks bad. You really think cops just go around arresting black people for no reason? What purpose could that possibly serve? It's reverse discrimination, that's what it is. If we were all black cops and our jails were filled with white people, nobody would say a word. So I guess you've learned that the real bigots here are you. Huh, kids? Guess you can all go home. No? Fuck.
We're innocent, so breaking out of jail isn't a crime, right?
I'm not sticking around to find out.
I smell a class action lawsuit. Supreme Court, here we come.
Token, what did I tell you about playing too rough?
But Mom, I was defending justice.
I don't care what you were defending. You could have gotten hurt.
But Tug Boy can't get hurt. He's impervious to pain.
Is he impervious to getting his butt spanked?
No.
That's right.
So can we go back here? Right. I need a ladder. I don't think I've ever gotten that before. Fender mask. Oh. Oh, I'm just back to where I was. Okay. Seems I can pause time here. Anything else? Can I go around? No, I can't. Okay.
This seems kind of like overkill. I don't see a switch anywhere.
We can do this. Propane.
Butthole's beating people with his butthole again. We might need to find a way to cut the power, like last time. Way to go!
Oh. Use Kyle for this.
Ready?
I thought I'd have to go with a special pinwheel.
Whoa, whoa! Yes!
Need butters again. Oh, it actually tells you what you need to do.
There, minion. Yeah. Phew, you're back.
Yep.
Let's get out of here. Yeah. All right, we made it. See you later, man.
Oh. You can go there now.
Okay, new kid. We have to sneak past this guy to that door over there.
Tool set's got what you need. Ugh.
You go.
Hell yes.
Okay. There, he's out.
Nice. I mean, nice. Let's go.
Come here, little minion. There you go. See ya.
Maximum security.
You know what a cop is, new kid? A cop is a slave. A robot who's told not to think for himself. It's the politicians who are the real bigots. That mayor has been sitting in her office telling us we have to change our ways. The only way to have her removed was to raise crime in the streets. And now cops are finally able to do things the old way again. Don't you see this is better for everyone?
Holy shit, that's Scramble!
What?
You found the missing cat, but
Oh yeah.
Freedom Pals, we've got the police chief, top floor!
What can I say? You kids have me by the balls. Almost by the balls. You know, not every prisoner we have here is black. We actually do have one white guy.
This is a trap!
I'm sorry, kids, but you left me no choice.
This probably is
Still
good.
looking good. Eating the Subway sandwiches. His name is Jared and he's still looking good. Hey, kids. You want some candy?
Oh, fuck, it's Jared.
You'll excuse me if I don't want to watch this.
I did watch the Jared episode a long time ago though. Remember that? And he had like brown hair instead of, you know, like an actual accurate design. So we could just play as anybody. This is gonna be a big fight probably. So I might as well do what I can here. I mean, I've played this game before.
I just love conjugal visits.
Just trying to keep it like a blind prick playthrough for you guys. For anyone who hasn't seen the game before.
I got spicy mustard coming out my nose.
You've got a lot of bad karma coming your way.
Yeah, I don't like that innuendo there.
My two blank mouth parts are agape in amazement.
How'd you kids like to see my famous footlongs?
We're not gonna do anything.
Oh, looks like you need to eat.
Microaggression. Hit him.
Oh, yeah, you deserve this.
Ah,
I don't know much about Jared's history, but
no kids in touching range. This is so frustrating.
you know.
I swear Buttlord looks 10 seconds older. Maybe put down a drop cloth next time?
Shock him. Any status effect, just go for it.
You got my pulse racing, kid.
I got just the tool for this job.
Gonna do it.
Not sure those powers of yours are up to code.
I am not bound by your natural laws.
No kids in touching range. This is so frustrating.
Oh,
Shit, he's down.
might as well go after Kenny then, am I right?
Treat yourself. Ooh, ow, my nipples.
Well, you kids are pretty tough. But now let's see how you deal with my AIDS.
No, get your AIDS away from me.
Hey, you think it's easy being Mr. Fogel's PR team?
I haven't slept in 2 years.
Oh, I can't skip this.
My aids always make me feel better.
We'll handle these kids for you, Mr. Fogel.
I think I know how to handle a kid, thank you.
Don't think think so.
That kid made me feel funny inside.
The world would be a better place if you didn't talk ever.
Yeah.
I'll drink to that.
This is all going exactly according to my PR plan.
Catch!
I love your tool. Want to hold mine? Operation Make Jared Seem Like a 70% Normal Human is a total failure. Calling it now.
Yeah.
Ah, that child touched me in a not nice way.
My client is obviously feeling unwell.
Huh?
Step away
That's
from my
insane if
client.
you ask me.
No kids in touching range. This is so frustrating.
Dude, you're so gross.
There he goes again.
Thanks, AIDS.
Blech. I'm not cleaning that up. Blood everywhere.
Oh, that's a 6-inch turkey breast, all right.
Oh, I can't freeze him. What am I gonna do? Just make them bleed again?
Bloodlord's really giving him shit.
I don't think the aid can
I'm ready to
heal,
break out the heavy equipment, guys.
so I'm just gonna go after him then.
Draw! You got fucking drilled.
Can't confuse him either. That kind of makes sense though. We'll have to lower his defenses then.
Ah, protect me, AIDS. No kids in touching range. No kids in touching range. This is so frustrating.
Can't hit him.
Glad your butthole's on our side, new kid.
Yeah, he doesn't heal. You can only hear Jared.
Everyone should have AIDS.
Got it. Good to go, and so is my bug jar.
Just keep using this.
I'll just be over here digesting. You got this, butthole.
Just stand back.
You're taking care of business, Buttlord. We advance a little further with each turn. That's how a drill works. Gunslinger! Tool shot's a dead shot.
Any of us need to heal? No. Guess we could, do we want to bring him back to life? I don't know. Nice to have him back, I guess. Okay, I'm definitely blurring that out.
Stop, asshole!
Although you might just kill Kenny again.
No kids in touching range. No kids in touching range. This is so
Or
frustrating.
worse.
I'm gonna kick your ass.
That's right, go to sleep. Nothing bad can happen while you sleep.
Operation Make Jared Seem
Yeah, I
Like
don't
a
think so.
70% normal
Not
human
sure
is
about
treat
that.
yourself. Ugh. I'm gonna lose another 200 pounds at this rate.
Get in there, new kid. Buttlord wrecked him. Time to DIY some justice. Double screw.
It's a pretty close fight.
Obviously a situation where Philip's head shines.
Probably could have picked some better characters here.
You have no idea what you're dealing with.
No kids in touching range. This is so frustrating.
Operation Make Jared seem like a 70% normal human is a total failure. Calling it now.
I think it was a failure from the start.
Hey, kids. You want some candy?
He's not really targeting me, is he?
You're doing good work, new kid. Fate's work. Fate brought us together so that I could tear you apart.
If you like hard candy, just reach into my pocket.
Oh yeah. Did
Quit
that too
trying so
early.
hard.
The other raid can't really do anything, so I think we should be fine.
Butthole sure has some lively cats.
Stop molesting my client.
Yeah, molesting's my job.
Yeah, he literally admits to it.
Ah! Ooh, that hurt.
You're gonna regret that.
Just one more hit, I think.
No kids in touching range. This is so frustrating.
Operation Make Jared seem like a 70% normal human is a total failure. Calling it now.
Alright. I can finish him off. Or you could just do that.
What are the police doing with the people they arrested?
Oh, how should I know? I'm just a sandwich guy.
New kid,
Uh-huh.
fart in his face.
No, no, please, I'm sorry. I'll tell you anything.
What is the police chief hiding?
There's more cells down below. Cops take that elevator. Prisoners go down there, but they don't come back.
What's the code?
Come on, how should I know, huh? Yeah, I seen him type it in. 1477. Please, I'm sorry. It's just that I like being with children, you know, because I never had a childhood of my own. Yeah, that's it. I like kids because I never had a childhood.
It's your decision, new kid. Part of being a superhero is deciding what to do in moments like these.
Okay. You have a lot of nerve, Jared.
Wow, dude, that was hardcore. All right, well, that was pretty uncomfortable. I know being a vector for disease is kind of my thing, but I feel kind of dirty.
Should we do anything with the body?
Let's be honest, you kind of deserved it.
Ah!
Okay, no.
That's something you don't see every day. A fart execution.
Definitely.
Protect. Serve. Bang.
This is a one-time shot, Coon. After tonight, we are enemies again.
Our petty little differences aren't what matter right now, Mysterion. Black lives matter. Yeah, dick.
You're a fucking dick, Mosquito.
Guys, if this takes much longer, I might need a short snack break.
Whoa, things just got real spooky. There's nowhere else to go but down here. I got a bad feeling about this place.
I don't think that's important. Okay. Sure, can you open this?
I got a bad feeling about this place.
Okay, here we go.
Huh? What was that? Hello? Hello, is someone there? No, I guess no one's there. Or else they would have said something. All right, then. It's just me and you, kitty. No one's gonna find us in here. Come on. Give me that good stuff. Hey, stop it. Hold still. Oh, bananas. The cat got away. Can't see a thing in here. Sounds like the cat's getting into the toxic chemicals. Darn it, that's not good. I hope those weren't the toxic chemicals I was just talking about that broke on the floor just now. Oh no, I think they were. Drat. If those chemicals mix together on the floor, it'll turn into a gas that'll kill me in seconds. Blast it, there's the gas. Yes, it's definitely killing me now. Oh, thank God. The exhaust fan's sucking out the toxic gas. Yeah, I'm not gonna die. Now, where's that blasted cat? Oh no. I think the cat just jumped into the exhaust fan and jammed it. Gas is filling up the room and it's killing me again. I'm dying again.
Again?
Sounds like the emergency door closed. Yep, the emergency door closed. I'm trapped in here. I need to get out of here. Just have to feel around for the doorknob. Here it is. Yes, I'm saved. Oh, blast it. The door's locked. Now I'm stuck in here. Somebody help me. The gas is killing me. I'm really dying this time. Seriously, I can feel myself dying. It's so painful. Help! For the love of everything, if you're there and you can hear me right now, do something. It's killing me. It's killing me. Wait. I think I feel the light switch. With my last breath, I'll just turn it on.
Biohazard detected.
Locked.
Oh, jeez. Well, you didn't do all that, did you, new kid? Here, little mean me.
No, I can't say I did. Am I supposed to go in there? Actually, can I just open the door? And then get the key? No, I can unlock this.
Tool set, always right for the job. All right.
Oh. Should be safe now. Can interact with this though.
What you find, you kid?
Don't know.
Here it goes. Brilliant detective work, butthole.
Is this money?
Butthole's got the key, guys. Man.
Alright. Do I need this? I'm gonna go ahead and buy one. Let's see, artifacts. Okay, we're definitely gonna need to equip this stuff.
I got a bad feeling.
Yeah, Shub Niggurath. Black goat of the woods. Blessed be us, your faithful servants, the destroyers of light. Yeah, Shub Niggurath. Black goat of 1,000 morbid young. Draw down the moon and extinguish the sun. Alright, let him go. No!
Sir?
Huh? Oh, I see. I guess because cops feed African Americans to an elder god, they're racist. Shub Niggurath is an outer god, kids, who must be appeased and whose coming was foretold by the great H.P. Lovecraft. But I suppose H.P. Lovecraft was a racist too. Oh, fuck. Was he really? Like how racist? Really?
Yo, it's my homeboys. Get me the fuck up out of here. These niggas completely cracked.
Let's end it!
All right. You kids want a battle? Let's do this.
Oh, is this a fight?
We have to end this now.
Okay, chuck another one in.
Oh, fucking hell no. Ow. Oh, shit.
No! The All-Mother can't stand white meat.
Oh.
Fly your fools.
The All-Mother demands black flesh.
You're not gonna get any flesh from us.
Let's get down to work.
Yeah, 9,999 health. So, no,
Got the key, guys.
I'm not going to do that right now. Yeah. Okay then. Well, it seems like a good idea to end the episode here, since it's going to be a big boss fight afterwards. Alright. Okay. Alright, so guys, if you liked the video, just simply tap the like button if you like to subscribe to the channel. Come sometime in the comment section below, which I'd like to see me do next. But anyways, I'll see you in the next video.